The wonders of the 9 planets, from burning Mercury to frozen Pluto. Each one is different. Some are hot, some are frozen, some are giants, and one carries life. Let's travel through the solar system, from the closest planet to the farthest. Mercury, 58 million kilometers from the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. It's a rocky world covered in craters with no real air to breathe. Here, days are scorching hot, over 400 degrees Celsius, while nights are freezing, dropping below negative 170. Its huge iron core makes it very dense, but life could never survive in this harsh, airless world. A spacecraft would take about 3 months to reach Mercury. Venus, 108 million kilometers from the Sun. Venus is about the same size as Earth, but far less friendly. Its thick clouds trap heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Temperatures reach nearly 470 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. Its atmosphere is full of carbon dioxide and acid, and the pressure is 90 times stronger than Earth. Beneath those yellow clouds, volcanoes and rocky plains stretch for thousands of kilometers. A journey to Venus would take around 5 months. Earth, 150 million kilometers from the Sun. Our home, Earth, is the only planet known to host life. Water covers most of its surface, and its air gives us oxygen to breathe. A magnetic field protects us from harmful radiation, while the atmosphere keeps us warm and safe. Earth's balance of oceans, land, and sky makes it a unique oasis in space. Of course, here we already are, no travel needed. Mars, 228 million kilometers from the Sun. Mars is cold and dry, but its red soil and giant volcanoes make it fascinating. It has the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a canyon so wide it could stretch across an entire continent. Long ago, rivers and lakes may have flowed here, and today ice still lies at its poles. Scientists dream of finding signs that life once existed, or maybe still hides beneath the surface. A spacecraft would take about 7 months to reach Mars. Jupiter, 778 million kilometers from the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet, a giant made of gas. Its swirling clouds form stripes across the sky, and storms rage for centuries. The Great Red Spot is a storm bigger than Earth itself. Jupiter has over 90 moons, including Europa, where an ocean may lie hidden beneath the ice. It is so massive that it protects the inner planets from many comets and asteroids. A trip to Jupiter would take around 13 months. Saturn, 1.4 billion kilometers from the Sun. Saturn is famous for its rings, huge, shimmering bands of ice and rock. It's a gas giant like Jupiter, with strong winds and deep storms. Its moon, Titan, has lakes of liquid methane, and Enceladus shoots icy geysers into space, hinting at water oceans below. Saturn is one of the most beautiful sights in the solar system. Getting there would take about 3 years by spacecraft. Uranus, 2.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. Uranus is an ice giant, pale blue and cold. It is tipped on its side, rolling around the sun like a ball. This strange tilt gives it seasons that last more than 20 years at a time. Its atmosphere is filled with methane, which gives it its blue color. Beneath the clouds, icy layers of water and gas make up most of the planet. A journey to Uranus would take about 8 years. Neptune, 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. Neptune is dark blue and stormy, the farthest giant from the Sun. It has the fastest winds in the solar system, blowing over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Its deep atmosphere hides icy layers of water and gas, and giant storms come and go, leaving dark spots across the planet. Its moon Triton is icy and mysterious, and may once have been a wandering object captured by Neptune's gravity. To reach Neptune, a spacecraft would travel for about 12 years. Pluto, 5.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. Pluto, though called a dwarf planet today, still belongs to the solar system's story. It is small and icy, with frozen mountains and wide plains of nitrogen and methane. When it gets close to the Sun, part of its surface warms enough to create a thin atmosphere. Its moon, Charon, is so large that the two worlds almost orbit each other like a pair. Pluto may be tiny, but it reminds us that even the farthest worlds hold great beauty. The New Horizons spacecraft took 9.5 years to reach Pluto. From burning Mercury to frozen Pluto, every planet is a world of its own. Together, they form a system of wonders, circling the sun in a cosmic dance. And as we look to the stars, we remember, our journey of discovery has only just begun.